gonna whack the shit out of her head off.
Well, put your hand up by the thing so you can block it. I'm taking a video. There you go. Whee! Babe, go put your hand by the door jamb.
She's gonna have to learn not to bust her head on there.
Honey, she's not gonna know. Yeah?
What can we put right there?
You duct tape up a blanket.
Do we have any duct tape?
No.
Do you think we could tack something up?
Oh, maybe.
You want to try that? What should we do?
Well, the tacks aren't going to be thick enough. Hey, baby.
Dude, that thing is not, it's cool, but it's not.
Well, we need like a really wide door jamb.
How much wider do they get? Huh? Do they get much wider?
No, not really. Oh my god. Watch your elbow.
Surely has that head just hanging around there. How about if we were to move her over a little bit?
Yeah, we can try that. Hey, baby.
Since she leads that one side. How about there?
There we go.
You think she'll whack her head?
I don't think so. Hi, baby.
Oh, there. That's good. So where she was at before?
No. Are you having fun in your new chair?
Why do you put this on there?
It velcros around the green ropes.
Just like this?
No, a long ways, honey.
Not like this?
Yeah, but now the bumblebee's upside down. Flip them over. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter.
Stuck around. She loves it. Can I change this?
No, I want to watch it. Hi, baby. Hi. Like, what the heck, guys?